again. It's a red stick.
Welcome back to another video. So I have just pulled out some swatch sticks and I was just about to swatch these gel polishes. So I've been sent 2 packs from Aimeili and I was going to swatch them off camera and then record doing a little set of nails with them. I thought I'll swatch them so I can see the colours in front of me and then I'll record doing something with them. But I have decided I'm going to swatch them on camera because, oh my gosh, I've had a little nosy at one of them and I absolutely have not got anything like these. You definitely need to see these swatched. So I am going to do a quick swatch video with them. So I'll leave links for these below. I have got a discount code for the website and they're available on Amazon as well. Right, so these are numbered. They're all BK. This one's 166 all the way up to 171. I'm not sure which of the 2 sets this is. I will know more once I've swatched them. Let me just show you this first one. Let me bring you in a bit now. They're all like similar style. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I absolutely have not got anything like any of these. And I've got a lot of gel polish. So let's have a look at these. Aimeili gel polishes as well, obviously. They're in glass blubbles. They're in glass bottles and they're 10ml. So they're a decent size. And the prices are always reasonable. Good quality gels. Let's have a look at this. I think these are even going to look good on a black, you know. I might try 1 or 2 of them in a black and show you. Oh my gosh. Has anybody ever seen those Aurora powders that you can get? This reminds me of them Aurora powders. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Wow. So I'm curing these in a lamp for 30 seconds. So let's do this next one. Oh, look at this. I'm so excited for these. Yeah, I was just going to swatch them off camera so I could see all the colours in front of me and then decide what to do with them. But I opened a couple of them because I didn't know what they were sending. I opened a couple of them and I thought, yeah, I've got to swatch them. I've got to do them on camera. So that one's got that purple ultraviolet glow to it. Oh, I love these. I love these. These are going to look smart over any colour and a black. Let's have a look at this one. Oh my gosh. I will try a couple of them over a black off camera later and I'll show you. Yeah, these are like the Aurora powders that you can get. But in a gel polish. A full set of them. Like, look at that. That one's got like a greeny kind of gold shift. These are stunning. I am going to give them 2 coats as well. So I'll do this set with you. Actually, I'll just stick some music on and fly through these last 3. And then I'll come back to you on the second set. So this has obviously got a pink base to it. Right, guys, that is these first 6 swatched. Oh my gosh. Look, guys, they are like liquid Aurora powders, aren't they? If you look to the side of them, they've still got that transparency, but they've got a colour shift in them. They're amazing, aren't they? Look at this ultraviolet one. The colour that goes through it. They are stunning, aren't they? Right, and I've also swatched. So this is the first one over a black. Look at the difference. It's like 2 gel polishes in one. Absolutely stunning. And I also swatched the second one over a black as well. Look at that. Aren't they crazy? Completely different, but they're the same gels. I'm absolutely blown away by these. I am. I love them. What I've also done quickly is that last one, I've done it in matte. Look at that, guys. How smart is that? I love it. You're just not seeing what I'm seeing. It's crazy. Right, shall we quickly go through this second set? Right, guys, these kind of start on from where the last set left off. The last set finished at 171, so this starts at 172. However, there is this one, 169, which is in the other kit, so you do get a double. Bear that in mind. They're all different except this one is a double, which is this one. So I'm not going to bother swatching that because, yeah, it's the same. So I'll leave that out. So let's just get on with the other 5. So these 5 are different. I'm hoping they're different anyway.
Right, that looks very similar. See that one? Is it the same? No, it's not, it's different. Right, so some of them do look similar, but yeah, they're definitely... Yeah, it is, it's different, it's different. Right, let's get on with it.
Oh my gosh, guys, before I show you those colours, I totally forgot. I've got one more colour on its own, and this is another out of this world unique colour, 002, and this is a single colour you can buy on its own, and it's a pink, but look, again, it's got that ultraviolet purple going through it. Guys, look at this. It's like liquid fuchsia ultraviolet, just gorgeousness. I've never seen anything like it. Look at that. I've got an ultra fine glitter just like this, hot pink with that purple going through it. Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh, that has got to be by a mile, I don't even need to think about it, my favourite gel polish ever. Ever, ever, ever. I love it. It is stunning. This would look stunning done in matte as well. That would look really smart in matte. Right, anyway, let's have a look at these other ones. So that's the first 6 that I swatched. And this is the second. There's only 5. So obviously if you was to buy both of these sets, you would end up with one double. So that's the second set. And you do get this colour, 169, in with the second set. Again, they are stunning, aren't they? They're out of this world. Let me show you them all together. Look at all them, guys. Aren't they stunning? This is quite a strong colour in the second set. It's quite a strong one. Look at all them. And that pink. Yeah, my favourite gel polish ever. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I will leave links below. I'll leave discount codes below. If there's any vouchers available on Amazon, I'll leave all that below. But yeah, I am well impressed with these. But yeah, that is it, guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.